The individuals vanoonekwa kunzi vakaprinda t-shirts pavidhiyo rinokanzi roseculatewa by unknown man. Vanoonekwa kunzi the person anga aprinda these t-shirts anga apedza basa, so he was now sending the video to confirm kuti vaone kuti tapedza basa, now chisendai the money. Panguva inoi the individuals who ordered the printing of the t-shirts have been exposed. Zarapina mashoko anobuda achitaura names evanhu vakaprintisa these t-shirts, calling for VP Kosano Chiwenga to step down. Now to go subscribe or like out on the bell icon. These are the t-shirts that were ordered by Masimirembwa, Muliswa, Kandisha and Taguri for their anti-VP Chiwenga protest. As we speak, provinces are being mobilized to back the sacking of General Chiwenga by a protest to prevent any possible military intervention. Doma developments arikuda panguva ine arikunokunzi VP Kosano Chiwenga has been entangled opinzwa panguva yakaoma. Zvapantikosa inodzika basa zichienda mberi chete. For the record, Comrade Chiwenga was not appointed by Mnangagwa, but it is Mnangagwa who was appointed by General Chiwenga to be the president. Tona kuti this panguva ino this issue inoonekwa kunzi iri delicate. Panguva ino kurikuonekwa kunzi the two men, the two former allies who initiated the Operation Restore Legacy in 2017. Panguva ino they are now against each other. Mboto za mafunguro inyimoti kudipa msoro pe this rift yavapo between the Zimbabwean leader and his deputy. Pina comment section medu za funguro enyu, subscribe or like up, on the bell icon.